Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. The mobile monetization space has become very stagnant. There are only a few ways to monetize your applications today. That comes in the form of app purchases, in-app purchases, maybe having services that you offer in your app, such as delivering food, or you put advertisements all over your application. Now, advertisements can be useful. They really do bring consumers to products they might actually want to see, but they're very out of context, that as planned as they are for the actual user, as pinpoint as they are, targeted as they are not part of the design. They're completely separate. They're images that are stagnant. They're images that are pre-made, that don't fit with the application. We want to change that. We want to make sure that every single piece of content inside of a user's app fits with the way they wanted their experience to be. So we decided to create Hyv, where we're creating solutions to mobile monetization that are, number one, developer customizable, so that every single UI element inside of the monetization scheme is completely form-fitted to their app, fitting all specifications toward their style and usage. And in addition, the user gets to choose which monetization scheme is inside of their app. So when they first open up their application, as you can imagine, they're going to be interested in what this application is all about. But we open up a page that says, hey, message from the developer, we need some money to maintain this app. We want to keep on giving you this experience that you love. So we need you to give back in some way. But we want it to be your choice. So you can choose to do either advertising, you can choose to give us 99 cents to this application, or you could choose some of Hyv's other options that are going to be less invasive, form-fitting, and make sure that you're the one who's in control of how we're actually gaining value from your application. So we're right now working on two solutions. One of them is a survey system that will be targeted toward users, so that we can actually send them surveys in place of advertisements, and even less in volume than advertisements. We don't have to send as many of them out there to gain the same amount of value from our users, as well as a news ticker, simply bringing news headlines to users so that as they use their app, they can consume this news at the bottom in a simple scrolling news ticker. And once they view the articles, news sources will pay us a per view fee. And in this way, we can create these new solutions to monetization inside of applications that are totally separate from what we've been seeing on the App Store for the past close to a decade. No, you were close, but that wasn't it. That wasn't it. Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. Mobile app monetization has become very stagnant over the past few years. There are only a few ways to monetize your app nowadays. You can either sell your app, maybe have in-app purchases, or sell services such as delivering food to people's houses, or you can put advertisements inside your application. But those really don't sit well with users. Advertisements are very out of context. The colors and schemes of style never really fit with the application. And we want to change that. We want to make sure that the user experience people have in their applications always fits with what they were looking for in terms of user experience. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay. Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. App monetization has become a very stagnant field over the past few years. There are only a few ways to make money off your application. You can sell it for 99 cents, $2. You can have in-app purchases where you buy premiums or usable items within applications, or you can advertise inside of your applications. And that's a real problem because advertising usually is very out of context. As targeted as it is, it usually doesn't fit into the user experience of the application. And we want to change that. We want to make sure that people have the experience they're looking for in their app in every possible moment of their usage. So we're creating alternative solutions to advertising that are completely developer customizable in terms of style. That way, every single UI element that we pose to our users will be form-fitted to that application. If your application is a certain Hi, my name is Alex, and I'm one of the co-creators of Hyv. Hyv is seeking to create alternatives to the current ways to monitor them. Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. Hyv is seeking to create alternative monetization strategies for mobile developers as al- hmm. Hi, I'm Alex, and I'm one of the co-founders of Hyv. Hyv is seeking to create alternatives to mobile monetization strategies that exist today. Those include selling your application, putting advertisements inside of your apps, or even in-app purchases. We're looking to create very non-invasive solutions to Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. Hyv is seeking to create alternatives to mobile app monetization. We're creating methods for development. Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. Hyv is creating alternatives to advertising as mobile monetizations. Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. Hyv is creating software to help mobile developers monetize their applications in other ways than advertising. We're trying to create non-invasive solutions where developers can integrate our software to completely customize it to form fit with their application. All of our elements, all the UI that we post to users to generate value from them are completely and one. Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. Hyv is creating alternatives to advertising as mobile monetization solutions. We believe that advertising creates this really big realm of consumers and sellers. And we believe that we can create more value from that for mobile devices all over the world. So what we're doing is we're creating software that developers can easily integrate into their applications so that when users get onto the applications, they get to choose how we create value off of them, whether that's surveys, whether that's pushing them news articles, or using their phones as storage devices, or even computational engines. We want to create value from every single user using apps because there's so many mobile devices out there. There's so many users doing incredible things with those devices, and we want to tap into that. So follow us in the next coming months as we release our alpha stage of our products, and as we try to revolutionize the way mobile developers monetize their applications. Thank you. Hi, I'm Alex, one of the co-creators of Hyv. Hyv is trying to create alternatives to mobile monetization strategies that exist today, such as advertising. We believe that the ways that developers are making money off their users are really invasive. They don't fit well in applications. They're really just plugged in kind of haphazardly. And we want to alter that. We want to change the way that we've been doing it for the past few years. So what we're doing is we're creating different ways for mobile developers to monetize their application through our simply integratable software. Our software is 100% customizable. So everything a user sees or does feels like it's a part of the app. Every background image to color to font is pinpointed by the developer to make sure that it's exactly what they're looking for in their app experience. We look forward to putting out our alpha stage products in the next coming months as we push 2 products, Hyv Pulse and our survey system. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Shit, with the heat section. Yeah, 2 okay versions. It's fine. What's going on?
What are you doing? What are you recording?